Hello students, today you will learn about addition and subtraction of decimals. Let us first discuss about addition of decimals. Look at this question. Suppose we are asked to add 3.92 and 5.8. Now students, before adding the decimals, we have to first check whether the decimals are like decimals or not. Students, we know that like decimals have equal number of decimal places. But here, if we look at the decimals, we can see that the decimals do not have equal number of decimal places. 3.92 has 2 decimal places and 5.8 has only 1 decimal place. So, they are unlike decimals. So first we have to change the unlike decimals to like decimals. Students, 3.92 has 2 decimal places. That is, there are 2 digits after the decimal point. Whereas 5.8 has 1 decimal place. That is, there is only 1 digit after the decimal point. Now if we compare the highest number of decimal places between these 2 decimal numbers, then the highest number of decimal places is 2. So, in the next step, we will write 5.8 as 5.80. We'll add a 0 to 5.8 to make the decimals like decimals. Here, 3.92 remains the same, whereas we added a 0 to 5.8. Now, since the number of decimal places are same, they are like decimals. Now, since the decimals are like decimals, it will become easy for us to add the 2 decimals. Now, to add the decimals, we will first write 3.92. Here, 2 is in the hundreds place, 9 is in the tenths place, and 3 is in the ones place. Now, if we look at this decimal 5.80, 0 is in the hundreds place. So, we will write 0 below 2. And 8 is in the tens place. So, we will write 8 below 9. And before 8, we have point, the decimal point. And since 5 is in the ones place, we will write 5 below 3. Now, we will add them. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 8 is 17. We'll write 7 and 1 will be carried here. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So we will get 9.72. So 3.92 plus 5.80 is equal to 9.72. Now students, look at this question. In this question, we are asked to add 6.57 and 0.76. Now students, before adding the decimals, we will first check whether the decimals are like decimals or not. Students, the decimal 6.57 has 2 decimal places. That is, there are 2 digits after the decimal point. And the decimal 0.76 also has 2 decimal places. That is, there are 2 digits after the decimal point. So, these 2 decimals are like decimals. Now students, since the decimals are like decimals, we can add the decimals directly. And in order to add them, we will first write 6.57. Students, in 6.57, 7 is in the hundreds place, 5 is in the tenths place, and 6 is in the ones place. Now we will write 0.76 below 6.57. Now look at this decimal 0.76. Here 6 is in the hundreds place. So we will write 6 below 7. And 7 is in the tens place. So we will write 7 below 5. Then we have a point before tens. So we will write a point here. And 0 is in the ones place. So we will write 0 below 6. Now we will add the decimals. Students, when we add 7 plus 6, we get 13. So we will write 3 and 1 will be carried. And since 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So we will write 3 and 1 will be carried. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. And we will write the point here. So when we add 6.57 and 0.76, we get 7.33. So 6.57 plus 0.76 is equal to 7.33. So students, this is how we add decimals. Now we will learn about subtraction of decimals. Students, look at this question. In this question, we have to subtract 5.78 from 9.2. Students, even while subtracting decimals, we will first check whether the decimals are like decimals. Students, 9.2 has only one decimal place, whereas 5.78 has two decimal places. So, these two decimals are unlike decimals. So, first we will change the unlike decimals to like decimals and then we will subtract them. Now students, the highest number of decimal places is 2. So, 5.78 will remain the same and we will add a 0 in 9.2 to make them like decimals. Now 9.20 and 5.78 both have two decimal places. So now they are like decimals and now we can subtract them easily. In order to subtract them, we will first write 9.20. In 9.20, 0 is in the hundreds place, 2 is in the tens place and 9 is in the ones place. Now, in order to subtract 5.78 from 9.20, we will write 5.78 below 9.20. Now students, in 5.78, 8 is in the hundreds place. So we will write 8 below 0. And 7 is in the tens place. So we will write 7 below 2. And before the tens, we have point. So we will write the point here. And 5 is in the ones place. So we will write 5 below 9. Now we can subtract them. Now students, since 8 cannot be subtracted from 0, we bring 1 from 2 and it becomes 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Now students, since we took 1 from 2, it becomes 1. Now students, since 7 cannot be subtracted from 1, we bring 1 from 9 and it becomes 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. And then we will write a point here. Now students, since 1 was taken from 9, it becomes 8. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So students, when we subtract 5.78 from 9.2, we get 3.42. So students, this is how we subtract decimals. That's all for today. Thank you.